Yay! Javier, we are going to make the original
real Mexican. I feel like I'm gonna be famous on this video. Thing is, having everything very finely chopped requires its time, patience, and don't go crazy. That's why I'm taking my time.
That is the spirit of Mexican. So Javier is chopping the tomato into small dice.
Correct. Important. They have to be small. And you add them at the end. That's important.
Okay, that's pro tip again.
I remember when I was cooking with mom, she just chopped everything like the tomato, bam, bam, that's it. I'm like, no mom, it has to be small so you can have everything in just one bite. Yeah, it's different stuff. Beautiful avocado, really one of the best ones.
My job is to bring them out.
Yeah, so
tell me, chef.
I will give you a recommendation. You can decide whatever you want to do. I normally kind of cut, I will show you, you decide for the others. Kind of these little squares there, well here, and then you just do these squares. So it's easier to smash it later on, right?
Oh, that is the pro Mexican tip.
With the spoon, you can just remove it from the skin of the avocado. And then, with the fork, where did you leave the fork?
Here.
You smash it, okay?
Okay. Here is my best neighbor in the office.
Let's add a little bit of spice, okay? Just a little bit.
Robin, why don't you eat avocado?
Because the fat.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Next step, you add the onions. Why? Because they are the strongest one and they will not lose the consistency. And
I'm watching like, I don't know, somebody.
Little by little. That is, it's not little.
It's not even half of it, it's 1/3. It's little to me.
voila, here, voila, voila.